So imagine this. You finally sit down, phone in hand, ready to activate the MQB license on your Keydiy X4. You follow every step correctly, you reach the payment screen, you tap confirm, and boom. The app hits you with that frustrating message saying balance not enough. No explanation, no guidance, just a dead end staring right back at you. Now here's the interesting part most people miss. This error usually has nothing to do with the license itself. And by the end of this video, you'll know exactly why it happens and how to fix it properly without wasting time, money, or patience. Hey everyone, what's going on? This is Hussein, and welcome back to Baabji Motors, your trusted place for real workshop knowledge, automobile diagnostics, programming tools, and solutions that actually work in the real world. If you like practical fixes like this and want more straight-to-the-point content, take a second and hit like and subscribe right now. It really helps Baabji Motors reach more technicians like you. Now before we go deeper, quick and important disclaimer. This video is strictly for educational and informational purposes only. Everything shared here is meant to help technicians, learners, and auto enthusiasts understand the process better. Any product names or trademarks belong to their respective owners, and you should always follow manufacturer instructions and local regulations while working on vehicles. Also, if you're curious about the exact tools, devices, or accessories I'm using or recommending, you'll find them linked in the description. Those are affiliate links, and using them supports Baabji Motors at no extra cost to you, which helps keep this kind of content coming. Now let's get into the real issue. A Keydiy X4 user tries to activate the MQB license using the Android mobile application. Everything looks normal at first. The license is selected, the payment method is chosen, but as soon as the user proceeds, the application throws the balance not enough error. This confuses a lot of users because they assume the license payment should go directly through the selected method. But here's the critical detail many people don't realize. The Keydiy system does not deduct the MQB license fee directly from your card or external payment method. Instead, the license activation fee is deducted from your Keydiy wallet balance inside the application. If your wallet does not have sufficient funds, the system will block the activation, even if your card or payment method itself is perfectly fine. It's like trying to buy fuel without money in your wallet while your bank account is full. So the correct and verified solution is simple, but very specific. First, you must recharge your Keydiy wallet inside the application. This means adding enough balance to cover the full MQB license activation cost before attempting activation. Once the wallet is successfully recharged, the application will then deduct the activation fee directly from that wallet balance, and the MQB license activation will complete smoothly without errors. Now here's something else important that Baabji Motors sees often in real workshops. In some regions, or on certain Android devices, the in-app payment system may not function correctly due to regional payment restrictions, network limitations, or app-related issues. In those cases, even recharging the wallet may fail or not reflect instantly. If that happens, the correct next step is not retrying endlessly or reinstalling the app 10 times. The right move is to contact Keydiy technical support or their official customer service directly. They can assist with manual wallet top-ups, region-specific payment solutions, or account verification issues. This saves you time and avoids unnecessary frustration. Here's a small reality check moment. Most activation errors are not tool failures. They're payment flow misunderstandings. And yes, the app could explain it better, but until it does, knowing this puts you ahead of many users. So now let me bring you back to the question I asked earlier. Why does the balance not enough error appear even when users believe they are paying correctly? The answer is simple. Because the MQB license activation depends entirely on the internal Keydiy wallet balance, not the external payment method. From my personal experience, I actually like this system once you understand it. It adds a layer of control and transparency, especially for workshops managing multiple licenses. But without proper explanation, it definitely confuses first-time users. Here's a useful tip before you go. Always recharge slightly more than the exact license cost. That way, you avoid failed activations due to minor transaction fees or delayed balance updates. If this explanation helped you, I want you to drop your thoughts or questions in the comments. Let's help each other grow as technicians. And if you've faced this issue before, share your experience so others don't get stuck the same way. Now let me ask you honestly, if this video saved you time, stress, or a support ticket, show some love. Hit like, hype this video, and let's push it toward 10,000 likes and 1,000 comments. Subscribe to Baabji Motors if you haven't already, and consider joining the channel membership to directly support educational content like this. Share this video so the YouTube algorithm picks it up and helps Baabji Motors move closer to number one. I know my loyal subscribers will definitely make that happen. Don't forget to check the description for the tools and products used here through the affiliate links. Supporting the channel, that way, keeps these real-world solutions coming. Thanks a lot for watching till the end. Keep learning, keep sharpening your skills, and, as always, happy diagnosing.